In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to achieve impressive landscapes with AI in Luminar 4. We'll take an ordinary landscape and give it that polished, professional look using tools that are fast, intuitive, and surprisingly powerful. By the end, you'll know exactly how to brighten skies, boost color and detail, and shape the mood of your scene without getting lost in complicated manual edits. Start by giving your photo a smart overall tune-up with Accent AI, also called Enhance AI. This single slider analyzes the whole image and subtly balances exposure, contrast, shadows, highlights, and saturation all at once. Set it around +20 to +40 to begin, then nudge it until the image feels natural and vibrant. If your shot includes a sky, follow up with AI Sky Enhancer. It targets sky tones and texture without affecting the foreground, bringing out definition and contrast. Keep it moderate, again around +20 to +40, so the sky looks dramatic but believable. If the sky is flat or blown out, use AI Sky Replacement to swap in something more dynamic, like storm clouds or a warm sunset. Luminar automatically detects and masks the sky, so you can drop a new one in with minimal fuss. After choosing a sky, adjust the horizon position to align it seamlessly with your landscape, and increase relight strength to match the scene's lighting to the new sky. Try a few sky options, and pick the one that best matches your foreground colors and the direction of light. Next, add depth with Structure AI. This tool intelligently increases clarity and detail in rocks, foliage, and distant mountains, while protecting faces and smooth areas. For most landscapes, keep structure between 10 and 30. Too much can make textures look crunchy, so zoom in and stop when the details feel crisp but not overprocessed. To shape the mood, open the Landscape Enhancer tools. Golden Hour adds a warm, amber glow that mimics late-day sunlight, perfect for sunrise or sunset scenes. Dehaze clears fog and atmospheric haze, bringing back contrast in distant peaks. And Foliage Enhancer boosts greens in a restrained, tasteful way. Use them together in small amounts to guide the viewer's eye and create atmosphere. Finish with local adjustments. A gradient mask from top to bottom can gently darken the sky or lift the exposure in the foreground, and selective masking lets you protect bright highlights or emphasize a key subject like a mountain ridge or waterline. Add a subtle vignette to darken the edges and draw attention to the center, just enough to focus the composition without calling attention to itself. And that's it. Clean, powerful AI edits that make your landscapes shine.